Moving on to the final major dollar pairs, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. Starting off with USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our break of structure. That's a swing high, and this is our swing low. We've liquidated this high within the overall impulse before seeing that demand chain fail and that order flow switch on the lower time frame. If we move down onto the 4 hour, we can see we had our initial break-in towards the downside over here, where we broke the demand chain that was in control on the daily. We've then had another break of structure in towards the downside. So this is our swing high and this is our swing low. What I don't like now about this position is we're very close to the swing high. There's no available liquidity within this impulse, and therefore the high itself usually will become the liquidity. We've also broken the supply zone that was in control, which was here, creating an area of demand, which you could look for that long in towards the upside. If we look on the 1 hour time frame, I do favor a long position. As you can see, we've had our break over here. This is our low, this is our high. We've got a lot of trendline liquidity build up here. So any liquidation of this low, we could start to see that structure shift and then start targeting the weak swing high again. If we move on to USD Yen, I'm still not looking to trade this pair. I'm feeling like an intervention is just around the corner. We're also situated within a strong area of supply, and therefore I see a big dumping towards the downside coming any time now. On USD CAD, we can see we've had our break of structure in towards the downside. This is our current swing range. We've liquidated this high over here, which did cause a strong sell-off in towards the downside. However, if we look at the 4 hour time frame, we can see that we are technically swing bullish over here. This is our low, this is our high. We've liquidated major points of liquidity within this overall impulse. And then after that, we've seen a supply chain fail, creating a nice demand chain that, if we look at the 1 hour, has clearly been pushing pricing towards the upside. As you can see, demand, price goes up, demand, price goes up, demand, price goes up. We did see a liquidation over here, but that's all I see that is, as we bounced straight back up and broke the high again. So what I'd be looking for today is any retracement down towards these lows, taking the liquidity, seeing that structure shift, and then targeting the weak swing highs again.